and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to a plant that's sweeter than sugar and packed with health benefit. Stevia. Stevia, scientifically known as Stevia rebaudiana, is a fantastic natural sweetener. Not only does it add sweetness without the calories, but it also improves digestive health and boasts antioxidant properties. That's not all. Stevia has impressive anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a wonderful addition to your garden and your diet. When it comes to watering, stevia requires regular attention. Keep the soil consistently moist and it will thrive. The best seasons for growing stevia are spring and summer, giving you plenty of opportunities to enjoy its sweet benefit. Harvesting stevia is as easy as it gets. You can pick the leaves as needed, ensuring you always have a fresh supply on hand. Stevia loves the sun and prefers full sun to partial shade, so make sure it gets plenty of light, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. It thrives in well-drained, sandy or loamy soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. But wait, there's more. Stevia also has some fantastic medicinal uses. It's known to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those managing diabetes. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Sweeten your life naturally with stevia, Mother Nature's zero-calorie gift.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.